Hello.
Good evening all. Myself, I am Pranit. Qualification wise, I am a BE graduate mechanical. So first thing is why BE graduate is doing electrical course. So I don't want unke pet ki roti nahi chini hai. It is not like that. See, since last 10 years I was working with MEB related fields. I have experience varied from industrial to airports to metros to residential commercial. But something was missing. Every time I was feeling like something is there which is not yet finished. Every time I have to carry one electrical engineer with me. That's the point I decided to do this course. But again, our intellect always say, why electrical, why here only? Then I search the course, I search the faculty, but again my comparative mind start analyzing whether this is suitable for me or not. Then literally I met him, I took an interview, whether he is suitable for me. Being a mechanical, then it is not for me, it is just for him to teach the electrical things for a mechanical guy. And then after 4 months, I can really say, sir, you passed with distinction. And you going forward, I will not leave you. So in Sanskrit we are saying Guru is a God. So you are like God for us, all we 7. And you will be there till last with us, whether it is mentally, professionally, in different ways. In terms of SIT, I can say it is a very good institute, facility wise, teaching wise, materialistic things like notes and other things. So course content wise, yes, we covered almost everything. Only one thing, today we have a very short notice for the convocation. Today morning I fly from the Delhi, and again tomorrow morning I have to fly from the Delhi. That is one thing. So for next batch, request to schedule the things.
2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks or 1 month, it is up to you. It is up to you. I don't have that. But at least give some breathing time for the students to attend as per their convenience, as per their work schedule. Because we all are working and we are traveling here and there. That's the one thing. Rest, I think everything is nice. And the whole journey of 4 months was literally mesmerizing. We learned a lot of things. One thing I would like to say about sir is his practical approach and deep knowledge about the field. We are only 7 in the batch, so I feel like it is not a classroom study, it is personal coaching kind of thing. 25 लोगों को सिखाना and only 7, so there is a big difference. So sir, really thanks to her, and from all the batchmates, I really it is not a give and take, it is just small vote of thanks for sir. I know whatever you share with us, there is no value for that, but still we try to give something.
We can on.